Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI script generator on the Windows AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Windows AI website, and after that we have to create our account. And after the account creation, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the AI tools option, and after going to the AI tools option, you will be able to see the AI script generator option here. So we have to open this in a new tab. So as you can see, I've already opened it. Now simply we have to choose a create a formal script, or you have to choose these options here that which type of script you want. So after that, as you can see, create a script with, you also have to choose options here. So as you can see now, what we have to do, simply we have to choose the friendly or the casual. You have to choose the which type of script you want. For example, I want the professional one, and after that you have to choose the English language or whatever, you have to choose the language, and after that we have to describe. For example, I want, so as you can see, I provided this simple, and then we have to click on the generate, and after clicking on the generate, it will start the generating your script on your provided details. So as you can see, it will be the profession. So as you can see now, the script is generated here. Now you can use this for your video. So in this way, you can generate any kind of a script on the Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.